National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Saline County, southeastern Seward County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:52 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing large hail up to ping pong ball size and damaging winds in excess of 65 miles per hour. This storm was located near Milligan, or 31 miles southeast of York, and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Crete, Milford, and Dorchester. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building and away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Saline and Seward. The National